HX570 self-adhesive sticker die cutting and slitting machine for small rolls. The 570 self-adhesive sticker die cutting and slitting machine is a fully automatic die cutting and slitting machine independently developed by our company for the self-adhesive processing industry. This machine can not only be widely used for the die cutting and slitting of blank adhesive sticker, but also for the slitting of various types of adhesive sticker. The 570 self-adhesive sticker die cutting and slitting machine is a fully automatic intelligent equipment that integrates automatic paper feeding, automatic deviation correction, dual-station die cutting, drawer-type magnetic roller replacement, automatic waste discharge, automatic slitting, automatic cutting, automatic tube loading, automatic labeling, and automatic cutting. This equipment is not only simple and fast to operate, but also saves labor, and there is no need to stick glue between the paper and the core, which can better protect the printer and avoid sticking to the print head. Parameter: working speed 0 to 120 meter. Max unwinding paper roll width 570 millimeters. Max unwinding paper roll diameter 1 meter. Max unwinding paper roll diameter 200 millimeters. Weight 4,500 kilograms.